Hello, it's Vadim from Watercolor PNG, and today I will show you how to create and use open card for thank you for open house. So first to go to watercolorpng.com website and see how it's beautiful. Then click template for it's template for real estate agents. You can click download, so register, and you will see this. Click download now. Great, it's not too big. So after downloading, you will see next. This like Microsoft Word, Pages, and just PDF document. I am using Pages, but you can change it in Microsoft Word. You will see this beautiful invitation. You can change this image if you would like to with any beautiful image. So on this on website you can find like roses and so on. A lot of everything. You can change like any text, put your name like Vadim Color PNG, your website png.com, and your phone number. Then just click print and you are ready. You have own card with unique design and you can use it for any purposes. So go to Watercolor PNG, and the best part, this template, it's free. You see. Have a good day.